Hello and welcome back to the channel How to Set Info, and today I will show you how to create an account on AliExpress. So for this I will use my browser. I go to official website of AliExpress, aliexpress.com, and if you have access to desktop version, I highly recommend you to do it, because on mobile version it works awful. Anyway, so at the top I need to tap this man icon and tap button register, and now I can decide what I want to use for creating my account on AliExpress. I can use my email address or phone number, but you can also select quick access, so I will use my Google. Now I need to select my account. I will go with this one, and also AliExpress can ask you to enter your password. So now, as you can see, I have just logged into my account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.